Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions for practice part 11. Chittagong 2016. The wind blows gently in the spring, the wind blows gently in the spring, doesn't it? Let them do the work, let them do the work, will you? How nice the flowers are, aren't they? How nice the flowers are, aren't they? Everything looks as beautiful in a moonlit night, everything looks as beautiful in a moonlit night, doesn't it? Work hard to succeed, work hard to succeed, will you? Like, share and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Till today, Jahangir Alam teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.